Alright, so we're going to remove this capacitor or fuse, I'm not sure which it is, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to remove this using the hot air gun, and we're going to reapply using the hot air gun as well, so pretty simple. So first, you want to take your flux. You just want to apply some of that to it. This just encourages the solder to melt. Just power on the hot air gun. And then we'll put in the hot air. There we go. That's that. Separated. Then we'll take some copper braid or desoldering wick. And with our soldering iron, we'll just go over the pads. So clean them up. Like so. There we go. And then we'll just take a little bit of leaded flux core solder and just tip that tiny bit of that. A bit more flux just to help that move along. There we go. Take this. Take the gun. There we go, we've got a nice join there using the hot air. So no soldering iron required to resolder. You just want to flick the hot air off when you're not using it. And I'll come in with a little bit of cleaning product. And the toothbrush. There we go. And that's that. Thanks for watching.